For me, there's just something about Norfolk Pine that gives that feeling of winter and Christmas, greenery, pop, and I love that it's a solution for decor that I can use all winter long. I'm super happy with how easy it was to switch out my summer greenery and that seagrass vase to these. They're 36 inches long. I love that they have the color variegation, the lights and the dark greens within them. I found the wire was very easy to adjust. They do come tightly packed when you get there, and you just have to fluff out each of the branches individually, and they are really kind of flowy in the breeze. They have a lot of movement to them, so if you wanted to use them on a back patio or porch or front deck, they would have a lot of movement. And I literally just took them and shoved them right into this seagrass vase, and it was a super fast, easy solution. So here are the 6 all together in one vase. I also think they look great draped across the mantle if you prefer that, but love that the 6 does create kind of a full arrangement. I could spread it through the home, but I'm really happy with all of them together here. They have a realistic design to me, even up close, shockingly. Definitely bring nature indoors. So as you can see here, I really do feel like 6 is enough. So 36 inches tall, they add that realistic, dramatic greenery, holiday decor. They are so reusable and easy to use year after year, perfect for that impact. Definitely gonna amp up our holiday vibe. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.